So what's up guys, so this is the third episode of the Logicraft survival series. So this house is very simple and ordinary, which I built in the last episode. If you want the last episode, there is the link in the description. So guys, in this episode I am going to find diamonds. So I am very excited to find diamonds because they are the most powerful tools in the game. So let's find them and make some armor. So guys, there is some talking problem, so please excuse me. So let's go and find diamonds. Oh man, so the diamonds are found near the lava pits and some more places. So let's break cobblestone and make a way to the down. So let's break some cobblestone and build a way till down. So I can see some lapis. So the lapis is useful in the enchanting of the tools. So I will be taking all the resources which I found. So let's find. Oh man, there is a creeper. No, yeah, so I have a armor, that's why I didn't die. So yes, there are diamonds. So I said that near the lava pool there will be diamonds. So this is the Minecraft fact. So there are 6 diamonds. So let's break them and go. So let's find some more diamonds and make the tools. So guys, I'm going to find the diamonds near the lava pools. So let's find them. So there are diamonds here. So let's go there and mine them. So the diamonds are there. So let's go there and mine them. So I will be mining these diamonds carefully because there is lava everywhere. So I'm out of cobblestone, so I'm going to break some cobblestone. So guys, if you are bored with this mining session, you can skip. So after this mining session, I'm going to craft some tools out of this and some armor. So with this I can build another portal also. So let's break this, guys. So there are 4 diamonds, I hope so. And no, it's 5. So this was a lucky vein of 5. So let's go back home and make some tools to break the obsidian. To break the obsidian, we actually need the diamond pickaxe. So let's go and make the diamond pickaxe. So guys, after making the diamond pickaxe, I'm going to be going to the nether portal in the next episode because we have found diamonds in this episode. So that's okay for this episode. So guys, if you are enjoying the content, so please like the video and subscribe to my channel and share. So please support me, guys. So there is bit of a lag because the diamonds we found is very useful in Logicraft and it can crash the game because it is a mobile game and a low rated game. but it's very entertaining like the original Minecraft. Sorry guys. So I'm going to make the diamond pickaxe. So I'm going to say how many. So there are 11 diamonds and here's the 1 diamond. So with 12 diamonds I'm going to craft. So I'm going to craft a diamond pickaxe, a diamond sword. So with the help of the diamond pickaxe we can break obsidian and make the nether portal. So let's go guys. Let's go and mine the obsidian. Guys, I am in the same cave. So I said I am breaking the nether portal. I'm not getting this name, but I'm going to break this. Sorry, it's obsidian. So let's break this and make the nether portal. So yes, we have found more diamonds. So I'm very happy. Yes, it's more than 5. So with this we can make, I think we can make our diamond armor. So I'm very lucky by breaking the obsidian I found diamonds. So this is a very lucky seed because in the first time only we have got the desert temple and there are so many diamonds in the cave. So I am going to be saying this seed in the link in the description, so you can also play in this seed. So guys, that's all for today. So if you like the content, please like, share and subscribe.